Hi there, dedicated Flapjack and Beans, and today we're visiting the two-wheel centre at Mansfield. Demonstrator. There's Major Moe here, look. Hey, Major Moe. Oh yeah, what you found us, I saw.
Lovely bike.
Lovely bike, $5.5 grand. Hey?
50th anniversary.
Yeah. 1500. No golden wingo. Hey? Yeah, well that's what you want. You and your bro up and down your truck. Hey up. What year is that then?
75.
It's a good nick, isn't it?
So it's on 800 miles.
Was it? 800 mile?
That's right.
I thought that was my stomach.
Just watch this one.
Oh, look at Beast on there. Hey? That fat boy. Not me, the bike. I hope. Got some bikes in here, Mick. Look. Got some good bikes, haven't they? Diavel.
That's fancy, isn't it?
Recorder. Do you want to say a few words? Hey? Hey, they've got a KTM deal for the 890 Duke.
We'll get Sarah in a minute, she's a good singer, we'll get her
Fish, yeah, I get her on, yeah. We like a bit of fun.
Yeah, she's brilliant.
Too many people forgot how to laugh. Look at this here, look here, Mick. Look at this here. Continental GT. Remember having one of them on kitchen table? Look at that.
No, we just do quad box. No, no room. No, we could do them, we've been offered them. Yeah, we ain't got no space. No. Yeah, they are good value. I've ridden a couple of them. Yeah, I've ridden a couple of the 650s and they're good. They're good bikes.
Yeah, we wanted to see them. No, they don't bikes, just scooters.
Are these Moto 3 or something? They're going to be racing, aren't they? Yeah, they're getting a bit serious about it, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Your favourite bike, Ian?
Do you still sell the Gerbin stuff upstairs?
Yes,
Yeah.
I believe so.
Oh yeah, I'm only able to get it upstairs. I thought you would.
We do, yeah.
If not, we'll give him a bollocking.
Yeah. On camera, of course. Good to see you. Yeah,
Yeah. Very nice gentlemen's in here. Don't mind you filming. Another Royal Enfield here, look, the Interceptor. 650 Interceptor. How much is that? Yeah. Kawasaki, you know? There's plenty of bikes here for you, Baz, Daz, when you come. When you're on camera. So I'm talking to camera. So. Yeah. You alright? Alright. We're upstairs now. Quite a shop this. Quite a shop. There they are, look. There they are, look. They're in here, look. Ditch me again. Alright, what have you asked them?
Yeah, they don't do them anymore.
Don't they do them anymore?
Go in the West do one.
Vice. Oh yeah. Ultrex.
And is that cheaper?
I don't know.
If you've got an aluminous head. That sort of thing.
They're nice people anyway.
All of the tyres, there should be some size.
I'm going to go to Lou. Where's Michael? How's he?
What bike is it? Right, okay. I won't have any information on what size.
The toilets are through here, are they? Yeah. Caution, wet floor. Oh, they've got bikes on toilet wall, look. Hey, somebody taking a tumble. Bump. Bump, bump. Ah. So we're there again. Oh, Bob Heath. Oh, Bob Heath visor spray feather. Here, look. Ah. What we got now? Oh.
Oh, it's looking at oil for check.
Oh, right, so we'll carry on.
What about that one, Mark? 14 quid. Moe.
Flapjack and beans, I'm at the Mansfield Wheel Centre today, just having a little look round. So, I'll show you again. What is it that?
It's alright that. Go with the eye of the number. Go with that.
Did you see that Royal Enfield downstairs? That Interceptor? No, that other one. Okay, so we'll go back downstairs now. There's plenty of Suzuki bits here for Daz. If Daz ever buys a bike, that is.
He's got Rosa.
I know he's got Rosie, but he likes the Suzuki's, doesn't he?
It could be a bad connection or something like that.
Yeah, he's here, look, the man sweeping up. Yeah, I'll show you. That's a new Rosie for Daz. Oh, it's done. So there's a new Suzuki for you here, look, Daz. Look, snip. Come and get it bought. Well, there's an Hayabusa. Yeah, these drums. They're lined up here like that, look, Daz.
£1,000 off that one.
Yep, £1,000 off this bike in the window. Especially for Daz. But now we keep showing him. Their lasses getting him all clear, but no. Still wait to buy one. Look here, look, this one here, look. Look, Royal Enfield 650 Interceptor for £5 grand. What a Wednesday night bike for £5 grand. Hey? Perfect, get a bit of Solvo on there, look, beautiful.
The word shed comes to mind.
Oh, that's not very nice, Michael.
What are these for?
Hey?
What did Barry say they were? 25 pence?
No, that was back shop, weren't it?
25 pence?
50 pence, he said. The Aprilia there, look.
This is what they are, what's 100 up there?
Which one?
Walking down, aren't they? These are few and far between. You'll be able to get your Legos as well.
Look at this one here, look.
On your left, walk straight
Look.
past it. CV10. To your left.
Yeah,
DNO1. Auto, DCT.
6.5 grand.
all these bikes coming in.
Alright.
It might be that we can do something, but I'm not sure.
Put that in it.
At this moment in time.
They just stopped making that,
Season's
didn't
not
they?
started yet, you see. It's
Got big back bloody rest was for her not back.
30 bikes on the go. Yeah, 20 bikes.
Hey? What did that you say about his Hayabusa? Where did you go with that?
To be honest, it never really sort
But
of
this one up here, look, Mick.
talking in riddles, really.
Hey, 3,650, look. Beautiful. Optimate, look.
Is it a GT Plus? No, just GT.
Beautiful. Continental GT.
Go that way, see what is that way.
Where's Major Moe?
Upstairs, I think.
You still upstairs?
I think so.
Look at bike night picture up there.
Pictures on the phone because it's so nice.
Look. More Suzuki's here, look. Look at this. Beautiful.
Got a chronic, I know.
Steve likes them, doesn't he?
It's a nice bike. Oh, I don't like it, is that? It's a bit cheap.
You didn't like that V4, did you?
Got a camera in it.
Oh, camera. Hey? You aren't back, yeah? Camera front and rear. Nice bike for somebody, that, isn't it? Very nice bike for somebody, that. A Triumph.
Yeah.
They make me laugh. I mean, they're not real carbs, are they?
Going.
Just makes it a bit strange.
That gives some vitamin.
Hey?
That gives some.
Sir.
Like what? Yeah. For sale, made of scrap parts. How much is it?
So is that ES335 of yours?
No, it isn't. Mine's beautiful. Hey?
Proper British trailer.
There's lots of bikes in here. What is it?
XADV.
Yeah, it's an old one. Yeah.
You want to get past it then?
Sorry. I'm in my old time.
He says you're going to sing us a song.
Is that right?
Yeah, he says you're good at singing. Are you? Oh dear.
6250.
6250. Little GoPro mount here, look. Quad lock. Quad lock I meant to say. Heated grips.
You can get your leg through over one of them, wouldn't you?
Where you going? Scooters? Scooters in here, Mo. Where are they? So all up. Oh yeah.
No, for that, unfortunately.
No, little learners' bikes, aren't they? Listen, this one's a nice one here for you to learn on. Hey? Yeah. Yeah. Right then. Yeah. You're always buying something, aren't you? What, you bought some oil?
Get down here, guys. For me.
You alright?
Thank you.
Nice Goldwing here for you, Mick. 1500 Goldwing.
What do you think we'd say to you? Got another bike?
Just for you, Mick, this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the wood veneer there for you. Yeah, see a moto Mo.
They're offered bikes, we don't want to do them.
What?
They're offered bikes,
You don't want to do it?
we've got space for them.
No, I can understand that. So look outside. I do. Yeah, look, dog kennel for you, Mo. Yeah. An R6, you got an R6. There's a do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, it's sold, the do-do-do carty in the corner. Yes, the Wheel Centre at Mansfield. That's where we are today. Yeah. Yep. A demonstrator here for you. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
that's nice.
There's a Triumph there, look.
Quite looking back, that. It's like
Yeah.
a silver motor dash on it. Brand new, that one. Got one there.
Yes, the two Wheel Centre up there.
Their
Look.
demo bike.
Yes, their demo bike. What kind of... Looks an easy bike.
Not bad in that.
What kind of model is it?
GSX.
Hey?
GSXS.
The SSX.
Nice looking bike, isn't it? Fucking cold, isn't it?
God, it is cold. I think we better wend off to the car. There's a definite nip in the air, Michael, isn't there? There's a definite nip in the air. Heated jacket, you need more than that on today.